That was the hurricane.
Yo! Dude! Hello! Yo! Hello! Dude! You did hello!
Oh, you talking to me?
Did?
What?
You was asshole.
What did I do?
You didn't see me standing right here?
Mi no comprendo, mi mexicano.
You not no Mexican shit. You knocked my mother wig off.
I'm so sorry. I'm so
I should whoop your motherfucking ass in this bitch. Your big nose motherfucker. You an asshole.
What did I do?
Why would you spray my motherfucking wig off?
That was the hurricane.
Ain't no hurricane. You a fucking dickhead, dog.
Me no speak English.
English, my motherfucking asshole.
I'm sorry.
I should whoop your center right here in this motherfucker.
I'm so sorry.
Big nose.
Big nose, that's all you have against me? You're beautiful.
That I don't feel beautiful right now. You done blow my shit out.
Well, how about this? What if I give you a $500 gift card to beauty supply?
$500. Bitch, I should whoop your ass.
$500.
Where's my fucking money? I don't even
It's a gift.
this goddamn wig.
It's
Where's my fucking money?
$500. You know how I know it's?
I want this.
Yeah, we're shooting a prank.
No, you gotta be.
Yeah, we're shooting a prank.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
I know it's what I did, but it's $500.
You gotta be kidding me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
What the is wrong with you?
What's wrong?
You dropped my motherfucking wig.
I'm sorry, that's not a wig?
Yes. What in public?
That wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
That wasn't me.
You blew my wig off.
How did I do it?
With that bullshit.
Like this?
Oh my God, this is so embarrassing.
Hey, you just knocked my wig off.
You talking to me? I didn't hear.
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Excuse me?
You just blew my wig off.
That wasn't me.
Yes, the was.
What are you talking about?
You just blew my wig off. What the wrong with you?
What are you talking about? Your hair is red.
Okay, and my wig is red.
Oh, that's your wig?
Yes.
That came from you?
Bro, where's your manager? What's a white piece of
What?
you white trash?
How am I white trash?
You is because you blew my wig
Why
off.
would-
You didn't even say excuse me.
Why do you need a wig when you're so beautiful?
It doesn't matter. It's my hair.
So how can I fix it to you?
But you can fix it any type of way, but that was very rude.
Really? Got you a $500.
I don't give a blew my fucking brand new wig off.
$500.
$500, okay. And what if going to the beauty supply for about $500? I want another wig.
You can get a wig.
Okay, give me my card. Thank you very
I'm sorry.
much. Have a blessed day.
We're shooting a video. It's for.
Cunts.
I got you $500 though.
Thank you.
And I'm not a real worker.
Oh, you asshole.
Yo,
What?
what the my bro?
That wasn't me. That was him.
No, he wasn't. You just blew my off.
What are you talking about?
Man, you better look here. Let me get that.
What's going on? You gotta. You're wasting my battery. You're wasting my battery. You're wasting my
I
battery.
don't care.
What? How do I look?
Funny as hell. Silly as hell. No.
Hey, girl.
Yes. I saw you.
Fingers right there. You put turbo mode. You give it to me.
I don't care. Like I said, I will figure it out.
I got you a gift card. Yeah.
Man, mind your own business.
Okay, here's a $500 gift card.
How do I know this real?
It's real.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I want my money. You're not getting this
Okay. Sorry.
until I get my money. I can walk off with this. You can get the wig.